Hi guys, and welcome to MsDisneyReviews. Today I'm going to review this set from Play-Doh called Design a Dress Fashion Kit. You can create sparkly gowns for Cinderella. So today I'm going to try out these 3 dresses. So let's see what's inside the box. Here are cutouts, Cinderella, instructions, roller with design, base with shoes, and 2 cans of Play-Doh, and 2 cutouts. So this has many molds for the dress. Here's Cinderella. It's flat with design on the back. Here's a roller with design and base with shoes for Cinderella. So here's how you set it up. This set comes with a sparkly royal blue and a light blue. So let's start with this one. Press the stencil, and here's the dress. You can roll out a design. Now let's try out our molds and cutouts. How about this feather mold? Here's a butterfly for her headband. Let's make her shoes. And this is how she looks like in her first dress. Here's a beautiful headband and the dress. Let's try out the second dress. So on the back, here's a design, and I'm going to use this as a base for her dress. That's so pretty. Now here's a cutout. Some cute little bows. Here's the second dress. She looks so sparkly and beautiful. Now here are some molds for the third and last dress. A headband and a rose. So what do you think? Let me know which dress was your favorite. And if you had fun watching this video, please do like, comment or subscribe to my channel MsDisneyReviews for other fun Play-Doh videos. Thank you!